At Redbird Park. How many times we been up here? I don't know. Look at Ebony up here playing with cars. Fatima's playing with cars too, you know. And me, I'm the maturest one, so you know. I want to record this, you know. So get your pew pew ass home.
Yeah, I'm tired. I can't get up. Bro, that hoe stuck in
Who can't get? Oh my God, the chair is stuck in her ass. I'm gone it out. Yeah, my brother got in one of these suitcases. You hear me? Can you get in there, Ebony? Fatima, come get in one of these suitcases.
What the hell do I look like?
Fatima.
That was mean.
I'm about to go get in my bed when I find that hoe.
She gotta look for it.
Yes, I do. This is my whole bedroom, okay?
This is my pretty pink pillow.
No. We're good. I think that's our fine to leave.
This one's cute.
That needs to be your baby pillow.
No, I like this.
I like this one.
This one.
This nice.
It's pretty. Yeah, she's watching us. I want to go. I want to go that way.
I want to go to the bed.
Look at me. I want to go that way.
I know we is.
Oh, okay.
Going to the bed.
Bye bye, folks. Deuces.
See my little